Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a 2 looks 1 palette video using the Profusion Cosmetics Starlit palette. And look at this baby, look at this beautiful palette. Look at this look, this 3-toned ombre look. If you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. And she's affordable, boo. She's affordable, boo. She is less than $15 for 35 eyeshadows. So yeah, stay tuned. And this is just going to be part 1 to the 2 looks. So again, stay tuned for part 2. That video should be posted either next week or the week after. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I'm still debating if I'm gonna do like a talk through or voiceover, but for the sake of the people that are interested in watching the tutorial on this specific palette who requested, I think I'm gonna do a talk through. So we have the Profusion Cosmetics Starlit eyeshadow palette here. It comes with 35 shades. This is what these shades look like in all their glory. I love me a good purple pink look. So I was looking at this palette last night. Actually, let me apply some moisturizer because my lips is looking dry. And I'm using my Strawberry Rose Gold lip oil. So yeah, I was looking at the palette last night and I was realizing how the color story was set up in the palette. So if you actually look at the palette going, what is it, vertical or horizontal? Vertically, like up and down, I believe. The color story is set so like you could create an eye look with just those 5 shades. Like this is like a cool tone look, like this would be a purpley look, a pink look, a yellow green look, more of a orangey look, again another like orange look, and then like a nice nude everyday type of look. So I think I'm gonna do something like that just to keep it pretty simple. So as far as my eyes right now, I got my eyebrows done and I did clean up the bottom of them. I will do the top later. I do have a tutorial using this palette already. I will leave it linked up here or up here. And I don't want to do something pink because I did a pink look in that tutorial. So I think I want to do something fallish. So I think I want to stick to this orange row or maybe this row. So yeah, let's start off by priming the lids. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to take the Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow base in Baja, I think is the shade. I'm just going to apply this and then blend it out. Okay, that went all over my eyelashes. Love that. So next I'm going to take the Morphe M173 brush. It's just a concealer buffing brush, and press that into the lid. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to take is this shade right here. And I know I said I'm going to stick to this row or this row, but I need a shade to set everything down. So I'm going to take that first shade, which is called Slippers, and just use that to set my base. And I'm using the Airway Studio E127 brush, super fluffy blending brush. So before I go any further, I'm going to add some tape so my eye look comes out nice and precise. And any tape works. I got this from Target. It's gift wrap tape. I'm pretty sure this is from last Christmas. So yeah, any tape works. Okay, so now that I have my tape applied, I'm going to use the same brush and take this shade right here and put it in the crease and blow it out all nice or whatever. So don't be scared to pick up product because this is your crease slash transition shade, and it will get lost throughout the look. So now that that is done, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is all the way at the bottom. Also, that shade that I just put in the crease is called New Wave. And then the shade I'm taking next is called Camel. and it's more of like a brown, so I'm gonna mix that in with that shade because it is pretty, but I feel like it is a bit too light, so I'm gonna still use the same brush. As you can see, it's a lot more brown. So next I'm gonna take this shade right here, right next to it, because it's a bit deeper, and use that to deepen my outer corner. And that shade is called Possible. And I'm gonna take the Morphe M433 to pack that on the outer corner. So now that that's done, I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going to use regular concealer for this. So I'm taking my AOA Studio Liquid Concealer in the shade Nude, and I'm just going to use this to cut the crease. And I'm going to use the AOA Studio E131 brush. It's just a flat concealer brush. Any flat concealer brush works. I'm just going to apply some concealer to the brush and cut the crease. I'll come a little closer for this part. So I'm going to tap some here. Tap some here. And an easy trick for cutting the crease is just applying it messily, looking up, and it'll like mark where your natural crease is. I know you look crazy at first, but trust me, it works. So now that that's done, I have three options as far as this orange row goes. I've already used this shade and this shade, and then these three are like shimmer glitter shades. So I have this shimmer shade, and a pressed glitter. So I think because it's so orange, I think I want to go a little bit lighter. I might mix these two or do like an ombre. So for the middle portion of the eye, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Topaz. For that, I'm just taking a little flat brush. This one is from AOA Studio. It's the E122 brush. And I got some on the brush, and then I'm just going to start packing that on. So these are a bit more on the drier side, so I'm going to try wetting my brush and then applying it. I'm just taking my 4th Ray Beauty Fresh AF Mist. Okay, so now I'm going to take this top shade, which is called Brilliance, which is a lighter shimmer shade, and then ombre it into this shade and just place it right here. And I'm probably going to wet that one too, because it looks to be the same type of formula. And these do have quite a bit of fallout as well, but that is what that looks like. Really, really pretty. So now I'm going to go back in with that outer corner shade, which was this shade right here. And again, that is called Possible, and go over this line so it doesn't look so harsh. I really just want to pick up a little bit of product and then just tap over that edge. And that is that. So now I'm going to do some wing liner. I'm taking some Essence Super Last eyeliner in matte black. Super, super good. So now I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the Milani Highly Rated Mascara. And then I'm going to apply my falsies, which are my lashes in the style Reina. So I popped the tape off, popped the lashes on. I want to do the rest of my face off camera. Come back, probably have my contacts in, and then we'll finish the lower lash line together. Okay, so I'm back and better than ever. I almost dropped the whole palette. So to finish off the eye look and the whole look, because everything's done on the face except for the lower lash line and the waterline. So I'm just going to take this shade and this shade, mix them together and blow it out on the bottom on the lower lash line. And I'm gonna take the ColourPop E19 brush. It's like a little blending fluffy brush. So I'm gonna mix these two shades like so, and then just smoke it out. So for the outer corner on the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade right next to that shade, which we used up here on the outer corner, just so everything's cohesive, and place it there. Same brush. And last but not least is inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight. So I think I'm just going to use the shade that I used on the inner portion of my eye, which is the shade right here. So I'm just gonna pick this up, spray it, and then pop it on the inner corner and brow bone. Okay, and last but not least is the waterline liner. I'm taking the Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Eyeliner in the shade CEO, which is like a brown. But it's so deep, it looks like a brown, to be honest. And we're just gonna line the waterline, if you know what I mean. So that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now I know I did say that I was going to do a 2 looks 1 palette video, but I think I'm going to leave the second look tagged here, or you know, name this like part 1, because it's really hard to try to fit like 2 looks into one video, especially when it's a talk through. So if you guys enjoyed this look, then stay tuned for the next one. This is going to be part 1 to the 2 looks 1 palette video for the Profusion Cosmetics Starlit 35 pan palette. So yeah, once again, this is what it looks like. Super affordable. I think is less than 15 bucks. I want to say I got this for 13 bucks in Walmart. Super affordable for 35 pigmented eyeshadows, pressed glitters, shimmers. Such a pretty palette, so I highly recommend. And again, this is the look. So yeah, just a few mentions. The lashes that I'm wearing are my lashes. They're definitely in the style Reina. So yeah. So for lips, my combo is the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF3. And then I use the Morphe Mega Matte Bullet Lipstick in the shade Main Squeeze. And then I topped it off with my lip gloss in Mocha Licious, which is now available on my site. So if you like this shine that you're seeing, this chocolate brown shine, go and get you some. And that's a 20 ml tube. So yeah, go check it out. Anything else on my face I will leave linked down below, or let you guys know what it is. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial or whatever. And on that note, please don't forget to drop a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button before you go. I'd love to have you guys join the Rose family. And I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, and having an amazing day or night wherever you are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.